The 2025 Honda CR-V solidifies its position as one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs on the market, blending practicality, efficiency, and modern styling into a package that appeals to families and adventure seekers alike. Starting at $30,100 for the base LX trim with front-wheel drive and climbing to $41,555 for the top-tier sport touring hybrid AWD model, the CR-V offers a range of configurations to suit different budgets and needs. This year's updates include refreshed exterior colors like Canyon River Blue Metallic and Still Night Pearl *, along with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all trims, addressing a common critique of previous models. The hybrid variant, now more prominent in the lineup, delivers a *204 horsepower combined output from its 2.0L Atkinson cycle engine and dual electric motors, achieving an EPA estimated *40 MPG city 34 MPG highway *, making it one of the most fuel-efficient non-plug-in SUVs in its class. Design-wise, the 2025 CR-V leans into a rugged yet refined aesthetic. The gloss black grille and hybrid-exclusive platinum accent lower bumper give the front fascia an assertive look, while *19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, standard on the sport touring hybrid, and dual chrome exhaust finishers emphasize its sporty character. Practical features like the hands-free access power tailgate *, activated by a foot motion under the bumper, and gloss black roof rails, standard on hybrid trims, enhance everyday usability. For buyers seeking a more aggressive appearance, the HPD package adds a tailgate spoiler, fender flares, and bronze alloy wheels, though some components may vary by dealer. Inside, the CR-V prioritizes comfort and functionality. The cabin features leather-trimmed seats on higher trims, with the sport touring hybrid boasting orange contrast stitching on the steering wheel and shift knob for a sportier vibe. Passenger space is a highlight, with ample rear legroom and a spacious center console large enough to hold a tablet. Cargo capacity reaches *75.8 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, though the hybrid's battery slightly reduces this to *74.5 cubic feet *, still competitive with rivals like the Toyota RAV4. The *10.2-inch digital drivers display an *9-inch touchscreen, up from 7 inches in lower trims, provide intuitive access to infotainment and vehicle data, though the absence of a rotary controller means all inputs are touch-based, which can be distracting while driving. Safety remains a cornerstone of the CR-V's appeal. Standard Honda Sensing Suite includes adaptive cruise control *, lane keeping assist *, and automatic emergency braking *, earning the SUV a top safety pick plus rating from the IIHS for its excellent crashworthiness and available blind spot monitoring. Notably, the CR-V aced the IIHS's small overlap front crash tests both driver and passenger sides with good ratings across all injury measures, thanks to its robust structure and effective restraint systems. However, the updated moderate overlap front test revealed a poor rating for rear passenger safety due to seat belt positioning issues during crashes, a point potential buyers should consider. On the road, the CR-V hybrid delivers smooth, responsive acceleration, with the electric motors providing instant torque for city driving. The real-time AWD system seamlessly shifts power to the wheels with the most traction, though it's not designed for serious off-roading. Ride quality is comfortable, with well-tuned suspension absorbing bumps effectively, though the hybrid's additional weight makes it slightly less nimble than the gas-only model in corners. The Eco and Sport drive modes allow drivers to tailor throttle response and efficiency, while the EV mode enables short electric-only bursts at low speeds. For 2025, the CR-V's value proposition is stronger than ever. The LX trim includes dual-zone automatic climate control and LED headlights *, while the sport touring hybrid adds perks like a Bose premium audio system and heated, ventilated front seats. With *5-year ownership costs projected at $44,814 including depreciation and maintenance, the CR-V undercuts many competitors while offering Honda's reputation for reliability. While the CR-V isn't the most thrilling SUV to drive, its combination of space *, efficiency *, and safety tech makes it a pragmatic choice for families. As Honda's best-selling SUV globally, the 2025 iteration refines an already winning formula, proving that sometimes, boring is brilliant. Keywords for SEO. #HyundaiCurve 2025, #CRV Hybrid, #Compact SUV, #Top Safety Pick, #CarReview 2025, #Honda Sensing, #Fuel Efficient SUV, #Family SUV, #CRVVS RAV4, #Auto Review. Pro tip for YouTube. Pair this review with B-roll showcasing the hands-free tailgate in action in a real-world MPG test of the hybrid. A side-by-side cargo comparison with the RAV4 would visually highlight the CRV's practicality. Want a deeper dive on the hybrid's powertrain or safety test analysis? Let me know.